G'day guys, Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. Today we're going to talk about the Necchi Supanova or automatic BU or 555 series. The Necchi's Italian made. In my eyes they are an extremely good machine. This Necchi here at the front there, that actually is classed as the Supanova, but it's called the automatic. And the one at the back there is called the BU, Bravo Uniform. Both take cams, zigzag straight stitch, and look at the absolutely gorgeous cabinet they've got there. So we've got this one going completely treadle. This one came in the other cabinet we're about to show you. That's now spare parts, and our spare parts machine, which is this one here. And what an unusual cabinet this one is. So you can have a look and see how it's actually hinged at an angle. So when she closes up, it's like a little wedge shaped, but you open that and it sort of opens around you, so you can see how it's a little dome shape. So these are a stunning machine. So with this one here, again the more modern, absolutely beautiful machine, and you can hear how beautiful and quiet it is. We'll put the stitch length up a bit. Oops, I went the wrong way, didn't I? And the amazing part about these machines is with the zigzag, not only, I'll turn that around, we'll try and get this nice and slow. Not only does it zigzag on the top, but have a look underneath. With the zigzag, you've got the actual complete shaft zigzags as well. So that basically means that what it does is the zigzag, and when it does the thread, the needle and the looper picks up in a beautiful straight position. So that there, absolutely gorgeous. And if you want straight stitch, you just go to that. So this Necchi, in our eyes, is an absolute stunning machine. It's not a machine a lot of people talk about. Now let's have a look at this one, which is another stunner. So we'll open this door, and look at that. You've got Necchi on the pedal. The same as this one here. You can see it's a complete Necchi machine. So there's your Necchi there. And this one here even has a little door on the side that slides open. So now let's have a look at this one, and this is an absolute crazy machine. I'm sure it's probably in other machines, but I've never seen it. We'll disconnect the belt for you. Right, so you can see this little catch here. That little button there. So what you do is you get the thread, the belt, you lift up, and the belt just gets held on by that little sprung button. She takes it round, and shortly you'll hear a click, and there it is, it's disengaged. And now but how gorgeous is that? Beautiful, quiet, strong. Not easy to do this left-handed, but we'll lock it into zigzag, turn it around, and this one here also has the bobbin. So what a beautiful, beautiful, underneath a superb stitch under there. I've got to say, this is a machine that you really should not overlook. So the Necchi itself, as in this one, as we said, this is called the Supanova, but called the automatic. That one's called the BU, and this one here is the 555, or also on the back you also have the VA8W. But you can see what a beautiful streamlined looking machine they are. And to actually have a look at the two of them, they're just stunning, absolutely stunning. And what you get with these normally, the attachments box, even though it's broken, will be this one as well. So you've got a little gauge here, so you can see you've got 17 there, and up here tells you all the discs and all the settings that you need on your machine. So if you want to do that little curly loop, you put the top cam is 26, 20, and the bottom one is 22. This is the settings that you have on your machine. Away you go, and you will get that. So again, whoops, there we go. So that's what comes with that, and you can also open that out and you can see you've got all your different feet. So in all honesty, for a machine you're looking round about, I'd say probably 1960s. Out of all that, and even today, these are beautiful, stunning, strong machines. But this one here, what a beautiful cabinet. Not everybody likes the light pine, but that's stunning. But these two machines, the Necchis themselves will sell them. But for those who query the Necchi Supanova, query no more. I'd say stunning machine. These will do hobby leather, they'll do horse blankets, but like any machine, use them for what they're designed for, respect them, and you've got a stunning machine. So that's Wayne and Judy from Down Under with the Supanova signing off.